Decided to take some time out of my day to talk about this. And for the past few days, I have been thinking about and seeing and paying attention, feeling out how the contradictions in some of how I feel towards things, how other things make me feel, if it's a distraction or if it's conflicting, if it's something that's in my way, blocking me from feeling a different way that I could be doing better, or if it's something that I shouldn't feel. It's a little too much to go into, really, but I'm sure you've felt a way before and you realize that that's not how you're supposed to feel, or it's not the way you're meant to feel in that moment, except it's on a deeper level than that, maybe. But I know for some people your surface could be a deep part and your deepest could be surface, and can be very difficult to tell the difference sometimes. But we are all different. I don't want to put anyone on that they're not ready for it, maybe, but it is something to think about. I wanted to talk about how people that they'll say these types of words or these types of sounds they make with their voices to make things seem nicer than what they are, or as hopeful, or as easy. And a lot of it is just something that you want to see and want to feel like you hear, and it's not